Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an error message 0xC007062 when either attempting to install or uninstall a program on your Windows computer. And it says that another installation is already in progress. Complete that installation before proceeding with this install. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to make sure you just close out of any open programs and applications and then restart your computer. And now that you're back in the Windows, attempt to relaunch the installer or uninstaller, and then hopefully that should resolve the problem. Something else you can try here as well, if you open up the search menu and type in services, best match, come back with services, go ahead and open that up. And you want to go down to the Windows installer service and double click on it. You want to start the service and then select OK, and then attempt to run the installer or uninstaller that you were having the problem with, and hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.